One day, my dad made pizza. He put the pizza in the oven and set it a timer. Then he went upstairs and worked. Then one time, the timer goes da-ding, 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 but he didn't hear because he had his headphones on. So I said, "Daddy, the pizza's burning." Then he ran downstairs, checked at the time, turned off the timer, and went right to the oven. And he opened it, and it was really burning. Then my daddy looked all over, and he almost made the house a mess by looking all of the beds. So then I ran and got some mittens and gave him, and he was so happy, and he kissed me and kissed me, and he hugged me, and he asked, "Where did you find these?" And I said, "I put it near my toys."